Welcome to Spyder Auto LED Taillights Installation Guide for 2015 to 2018 Chevy Tahoe. Check out how the Spyder LED taillights changes the look of your vehicle. Here are tools needed to prepare for the installation. Ratchet with T15 torque socket or T15 torque screwdriver. Panel popper or flathead screwdriver. Open the tailgate and let's begin. Remove tail light panel cover. Remove 2 T15 torque screws holding factory tail light assembly. Disconnect factory taillight harness behind the bumper cover. Unseat factory taillight assembly. Locate Spyder LED taillight assembly. Seat Spyder LED taillight assembly in place. Reinstall 2 T15 torque screws securing the Spyder LED taillight. Reinstall taillight panel cover. Connect Spyder taillight harness behind the bumper cover. Repeat same steps for the other side. Close the tailgate and the installation completed. Congratulations, you have just installed your Spyder Auto LED taillights for your 2015 to 2018 Chevy Tahoe. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light functions before take your vehicle back on the road. Thank you for choosing Spyder Auto installation video to assist you. For more products and information, please visit www.spyderauto.com.